Hello, awesome admins. It's Jillian Bruce, and I am thrilled to announce we have an amazing new resource for you to explain truly how awesome you are as an admin. Drumroll, please. That's right. We have the Salesforce Admin Enablement Kit launching now. This is a kit that's going to help you explain the value that you deliver to your organizations on a daily basis to help your stakeholders understand the work that you do as an awesome admin. Now, you might be wondering, what's in this kit? Well, there are three main components. Number one, we've got a beautiful deck that has been put together that you can customize to help explain the work that you do as an admin. The second part of the kit are four amazing demos that help demonstrate the Salesforce technology you use on a daily basis as an awesome admin to help your organization run effectively. And then finally, you've got an end-to-end example of what this presentation might look and sound like that you would want to customize for your stakeholders. All right, don't wait any longer. Now that you've watched me yap about it, go to this URL right now so that you can get your hands on the Salesforce Admin Enablement Kit. I cannot wait to see what you do with it.
Awesome admin.